नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, वालेकुम अस्सलाम, जय हिंद। समस्तों चैनल को स्वागत। आई एम आरसी मिश्रा, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर, विद्यासागर क्लासेस, भुवनेश्वर, ओडिशा। फ्रेंड, what is special in today's lesson? In today's class, I am going to reveal 20 best way to improve your English. So let's see what are the 20 ways that we need to follow to improve our communication skill. As we are living in modern age, we are in 21st century, so this become essential to speak better English. And if you have good commands over English word, you can easily win a deal, whether it may be a business deal, maybe a relation, maybe a company job interview, anything. Wherever you go, English is there, and people are looking for good communicator. And with the lack of communication, sometime we feel regret and we faced awkward situation also. While you are traveling with the aeroplane, and if you are not able to speak properly what the lady is asking, the air hostess is asking to you, then it is going to be a very awkward situation. So in today's class, we are going to learn few techniques which is really helpful for us for speaking better English. Let's see what are the way. Number one, don't be afraid to make mistake. Number one, what? Don't be afraid to make mistake. So let's see what are the 20 ways we have. First I will talk 10 techniques, then I will go for 20. Number one, don't be afraid to make mistake. It is a common disease, I can say. Most of the students, they feel so that if they are making mistake, they might lose their I can say image or picture. There is nothing like that. In real world, if you are learning, now we all are in learning stage. Even though it's been last 5 to 6 years I am teaching communication English, and a lot of things, like many students already passed out. I notice one thing, most of the students, what is that, they feel afraid, they feel afraid of speaking. So जो ये afraid of speaking है, इसको हटाना है, because nobody recognized us once we left out our home. जब मैं स्टेशन में जाता हूँ, बस स्टॉप पे, मुझे कोई नहीं पहचानता. जब मैं रेलवे स्टेशन जाता हूँ, तब तो पहचानने का चांस ही घट गया पूरा. जब एयरपोर्ट में जाऊँगा, मुझे कोई जानता ही नहीं है. I am not telling that we don't have image. Yes, we have image, but in a certain, in a limited periphery, I can say. So don't feel like that if you make mistake, then you are going to be criticized. Remember one thing, if people will criticize you, this will give you another extra energy like boost or Horlicks, that you can grow and accelerate in your career, everyone. So criticism are always welcome, because it gives us the energy that we are looking for. And the jingoism or the spirit will remain intact if you are a good supporter of criticism. Whoever work in politics or in any social work, everybody face criticism, everyone. So criticism is also a part of life. Okay, so don't be afraid. Number one, make sufficient mistake, because now you are in learning stage, then only you can mend your communication skill. Number two, surround yourself in English. How can you surround? By keeping some books, by keeping some people around you. Number three, practice every day. You have to practice. It is not like that 2 days you are doing and 3 days you are missing. No, nothing like that. Those who enrolled for my online spoken English course, I ask only one question. Please be punctual to me, give your time regularly. Assignments should be done regular manner. If there is a distance, then it is not going to work out. Once I visited my village, so I find it difficult to talk in English, so I lost my communication. The way I am talking with you right now is completely disappear from my mind. So obviously we need a platform to talk, and these classes will give you the platform, everyone. And one more thing, tell your family and friend about your achievement, or you can present them, you can give them a presentation regularly. If you are I can say friendly with your parents, then you can tell them Like today I prepare this, I am going to give a presentation. Please judge me whether I am doing great or not. Okay, next one, 4 core skill. इंग्लिश में 4 स्किल से अलावा और कुछ नहीं है. रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग. But everybody tell this point, but what to read, what to not, that is very much essential. Okay, so what is that? Reading. In reading part you can go for story reading. First of all, every day you must read one story. Number 2, don't read the whole The Hindu newspaper. I am not asking you to do the necropsy or post-mortem of the newspaper, nothing like that. You can go with just 1 or 2 paragraph. Try to find out what are the phrasal verb used in that. Try to find out what sentences are there, what type of sentences, what tenses are used in that sentences, preposition is there or not, adjective is there or not. Look at the sentence structure properly. And you can go for writing. Every day you are going to write a application or letter, or you may post something on social media so that people will retweet to you or reply to you, so that it become also an opportunity to reply them back. And number 3, for speaking, I can tell you one thing. There are so many online mobile applications are available on the Play Store. You can easily download 1 or 2 and you can use them for talking with stranger people, or otherwise you can go to Google, search for guitar class or tabla class, dance class, music class, spoken class in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Don't go for search for Odisha. They are not going to talk with you in English language. So if you are going to talk with other state people, obviously you are getting much opportunity, because they are going to call you again and again and again and again for the admission and all. And in that process you are going to learn the whole English, and you are going to improve your communication, everyone. And going to listening, I can suggest one software called Podcast that I am using. In Podcast I am listening all category of audios file. Now coming to number 6, keep a notebook of new word you learn. Every day you are learning new word, but you are not like storing it in a place where you can reuse it and utilize it. And you have to go for recapitulation. You have to recap everything, repeat everything. Next one, do a lesson at least once a day. आपको पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच का या कोई भी चीज़ का ग्रामर का एक लेसन करना पड़ेगा. वन मोर थिंग दैट देयर आर लैक्स ऑफ दैट मैसेज, देयर आर लैक्स ऑफ आई कैन से पैसेजेस आर देयर. Reading comprehension, you can go for reading comprehension also, that is also a best way. And number 8, everyone, memorization. This is very much important. You have to remember, you have to repeat it. If it is not remember, then again repeat it. In our childhood we don't know multiplication table, so I got beaten severely by my parents and by others, that the teacher, they are asking me to repeat the multiplication table. Now I can easily tell you the multiplication table of 1 to 25 and even more also, with some few tricks and technique. And I can say number 9, think of the bigger picture. Now assume that if you are able to speak better English, now where you are going to be? Obviously because sometime English represent our personality. Let me tell you one thing. Please you tell me, in UPSC examination why they conduct personal interview mock test? As because for knowing the people personality, right everyone? So through our English speaking we can easily catch the personality, and our personality will also reflect from our speaking English. Okay, now number 10, I can say long term goal. What is that? Long term goal. आपका long term goal क्या है? In that long term goal, what is the role of English? I hope आपका goal कोई भी हो, if you don't have good communication skill, then it is worthless, everybody. So in today's class I told you few techniques to improve your communication. Now this is your duty, everyone, to follow all these 10 techniques or steps to improve your communication. In the first video I talk only 10 points. In my next video by tomorrow I will tell you what are the more 10 ways. And obviously let me tell you, this is not only 10 ways, 20 ways, I am going to tell you 100 ways. I am going to make a video of 100 ways to improve your English language. It is all about you and your particular personal interest. If you have interest, then everything is possible. In Gita also it said that Pangu Langayatim Giri. It means what? A injured person or a I can say handicapped person also can climb Mount Everest. There are many instances and example are also there on the internet for the motivation purposes, everyone. So it is up to you. If you really want to improve your communication, here it is that you are going to follow. And for more detail, you can subscribe to my channel. You can like it if you love the video. You can share it to your friend if you want to help them to speak better English. And don't feel shy to speak English, because in my college day when I talk with my friends, so I'm asking them some questions, few questions on English. So they are telling me that why you are the son of Britisher or blah 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 blah. But now what happened? Now you are not able to talk with me for just 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But I can talk for more than 10 hours in a day, no problem. I'm taking more than 10 to 12 classes per day, right? So this is all about what? It is your self interest. Nobody will help you in this journey, everyone. Like I suffer, I don't want you need to be you are going to be suffer with this English disease and all these things. Okay, anyhow, thank you so much for giving me your precious time for watching my video. Jai Hind.